Hey guys, what's going on? I did not plan to make this video, but I figured I really needed to. So, I just bought these Audio Legion subs, 212s, dual 4s, amp for a killer deal at $250, both the subs, the box, and the amp. Luckily, this issue that I'm about to show y'all did not cause, here's the amp, cause the guy any problems. But this is why I don't pay cheap audio shops to do work, or non-named audio shops. So this guy says he went to a reputable place, they built this box, yada yada yada. It's 1 inch, could have built it. Obviously his trunk leaked really bad, which honestly there's no water damage on the sub or the amp, which is awesome. But this, when they pulled the wires apart, they tore into the jacket, well, the insulation. So this was sitting right against the motor. Luckily, it was right on the rubber grommet, the little rubber boot around it. But that could have easily fried his amp or blew his subs. Could have done a lot of things. But this is why you have to check people's work. Just because they say, oh, I'm a professional, I do this for a living, yada, yada, yada. You still need to go behind people. You still need to check it just to make sure. Because things like this, they might not have seen it. They might have been going so fast, hey, you know, accidents happen, but either way, you've got to check people's work. That could have cost him, he says he paid $1,000, which is way, way too much for this system, unless they ran everything, but I don't think they did. I think it was just for the package. So, lesson learned, don't let things like this happen.